My name is Tony Villalobos. I'm a mechanical structural journeyman here at Avista. Our role is to do maintenance on our units as well as repair, overhaul of anything that breaks. We also do the structural steel welding and fabricating of substations, along with the foundation, excavation, and the overall building of the substation. A substation is a local yard that has electricity that comes into it that gets either stepped down, stepped up for transmission, or stepped down for local distribution to our local customers. This is a local utility company that provides power locally as well as Idaho, Montana, Oregon. I got into at Avista. I was looking for some higher education with the mechanical structural side of welding, fabricating, machine work. And I was introduced to this job by a friend of mine. It's a apprenticeship-based environment. I applied for the apprenticeship. It's a 4-year, 8,000-hour based apprenticeship. It's task-based that you have to do a certain amount of tasks along the way, along with education and classes. The advantage with an apprenticeship is it's on-the-job training. You're getting paid while you're learning, while you're doing your schooling, while you're doing all your education, learning the trade. If you're a self-starter, if you're a person who likes the mechanical side of things, I think this would be a great fit for you.